Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn how to use Gelato print on demand, especially if you're a beginner, then this video is for you. So the first thing that we should do is we have to open any of our web browser, and then using the search bar at the very top, we just have to type out Gelato. Okay, so let me just type out Gelato, and then just have to click on enter after that. Okay, so right here, you just have to scroll down until you can see this website. Okay, so global print on demand platform. Just have to click on this one, and you'd be directed to this section. So print on demand for e-commerce business. So as you can see right here, it has 90% of all orders reduced locally, and they also lowering prices by up to 50%. And then right here it's that gift giving time of year again, so you have here all of the reason why you have to choose Gelato. So it's the world largest print on demand network, sell globally, produce locally, 100% free editing tools, 60 plus logistic partners, high quality products, endless creativity with shutterstock images, one click integration to the leading e-commerce platforms. And for print producers, Gelato Connect, it's elevate efficiency, cut cost, and seamlessly automate with our all-in-one software solution for the print industry. Okay, so if you want to learn more, just click on the learn more option. So what we're going to do here now is to click on the pricing. Okay, so right here they have the payments and pricing, subscription plans, Gelato Plus, and more. So we're going to start with the payments and pricing. So here you have to monetize your creativity. Okay, so let's go back to pricing and click on the subscription plans. So here on the subscription plans, you just have to find the plan to build your business. So they have different plans. So here just have to click on how many orders do you have per month, and you'd be able to determine the recommended plan for your business. Okay, so for example, you have 10, 25, 50 orders per month, so you'd be able to see here the recommended plans. Okay, so we have here the free plan, the Gelato Plus, Gold, and the Platinum. So for the free plan, we have these features. Now, if you want to upgrade your plan and you want to use like Gelato Plus, so here you have to pay for about $25 per month of $249 per year. And everything in free section are included, including these features. So up to 20% off products, premium mock-up and mock-up studio tool, millions of stock images, graphics and fonts, branded labels and packaging inserts. And if you want to switch to gold plan, so as you can see, it's $129 per month, and everything in Gelato Plus and these features are included, so up to 25% off of the products, 30% off branded labels and packaging insert, advanced price setting and optimization with price navigator. And for the platinum, you can custom the pricing model, so you have to talk to them if how many orders do you make per month, so to be able to determine the price of the platinum. Okay, so for this video, we are going to try the free one. Okay, so for example, we are making 5 orders per month, so just have to start with a free plan. So just click on the get started option, and then you'd be directed to this page. So what you're going to do here is to create an account and explore the products and tools to help you sell. So you can continue with Google, Facebook, Apple, or sign up with your email. So I'm just going to continue with my Google account. And once you are on your home page, as you can see right here at the left side, we have the home option, the product catalog, orders, the stores, the personalization studio, template, branded packaging, analytics, and more. So we're going to start with the homepage. So right here, you can order your first product, experience and quality and spread of delivery with a personalized sample. So right here for the getting started section, you'll be able to see this options, and you also have here the best sellers recommended for you. You'd be able to see here the different products that is recommended to you according to how many orders you are making per month. Okay, so this is for your homepage. For example, this product, when I clicked on this one, Okay, you'd be able to see the details of this product, all of the images. We also have here the price at the right side. Okay, and then we also have here the description of this product. Okay, and also the original pricing. So you'd be able to see here the different regions, the product, the shipping first product, and then the shipping additional product. So you can also click on the full price list if you want to. So yeah, you just have to go to the section right here and you'll be able to see the packaging, the facts, all of the details of this product. So if you want to add it to your store, just click on add to store and then just have to select your store. So I'm going to show you as well on how you can connect your store. So for example, on this account, I already connected my Etsy account. So I'm going to show that later on. So this is how it looks like if you want to customize a product. You can drop your design right here, change the colors, add your text, and more. So yeah, let's proceed to the next one, which is the product catalog. I mean, to the orders. So right here on the orders, you'd be able to see here all of your orders. We also have here the pending approval, the not connected products, the on hold products, the failed products. We had the draft, the pause, in production, printed, shipped, in transit. So if you are to scroll all the way to your right, be able to see here the delivered, return, and then digitizing. So let's go to the stores. So right here, as you can see, I already connected my Etsy store. And here, all integration you can connect with Gelato. You can see that right here. So we have Amazon, Squarespace, TikTok Shop, WooCommerce, Wix, and we also have BigCommerce, Manual, and we can show more if you want to see all of the available integration that we can connect with Gelato. Okay, so if you don't have a store yet, don't worry because they will help you selecting the sales platform that best suits for your business. So we have Shopify, Etsy, Amazon, and more. So if you're going to click on show more, so you'll be able to see here all of the details. So for this one, I already have my Etsy account. So here, like for the direct integration, it's very simple. You just have to simply click on the connect option and then you'd be redirected to another tab. And what you're going to do here, as you can see for the pricing, this one is free to install to your Shopify. So if you are going to use Shopify, so you just have to simply click on the install option and right here you'd be able to see the different reviews from different users. So now, since I already have a store right here, to add your own product and to customize a product, what you're going to do is to simply click on the add product option. Okay, so this one. So we have an option if we want to add multiple products or single products. So I'm just going to add a single product for this one. Okay, and right here you just have to choose your product. There are different catalog and you also have a category section where you can select or you can find a specific product that you are looking for. Okay, so here for example, when you go to the men's clothing, so we have this different sections. So we have t-shirts, tank tops, we also have polos, pants, and more. So for this one, I'm just going to use this as a sample. Okay, and at the top left of that specific product, you'll be able to see this mark. We have Gelato's pick and the best seller. So for the best seller, as you can see, it has different variations of colors. But for Gelato's pick, it has maybe about 5 6. So we are going to proceed with the best seller. So when you click on that specific product, that product will appear right here. Okay, so if you want to add all of these colors, what you're going to do is to simply click on it one by one, so that if you are going to design later on, all of the elements that you have added on the first pick will be added to the rest of the products. So as you can see on the right side, we have these different products right here with different colors. So what we are going to do now is to add our design right here. So when you click on it, we can upload our own design, use Shutterstock, and you just have to go to the rest of the options. So right here, for example, we are going to use this nature picture as a sample. So you just have to simply click on the photo or the design that you want to add. Okay, so just have to wait for a couple of seconds after that, and then just have to click on it, and then you can adjust the size of the image, but you have a limitations where you can put it. Okay, so I'm just going to put this one at the center, but if you want to put this design on the side, so you can do that as well. Okay, and then I'm just going to add a sample text. So for example, sky. And then after adding your text, next thing that you should do is to customize the text. So if you wanted to change the color of your text, just have to go to at the top, and I wanted to change the font style for this one. So yeah, I think this one is better. So we're just going to use the free fonts. Okay, the free font style. Here you also have the spacing, so if you want to change these settings, just have to click on the three dots, and then yeah, there are so many things that you can click on, and then make your design more appealing. And then at the right side, we can also add like our filters, add layers. You can also add shapes right here. So for the shapes, I'm going to add this one. So I'm just going to adjust this shape. Okay, and then after adding all of your designs, all of your elements, you can click on the back, and if you want to add a design at the back of your product, so you can just do the same process. Okay, so assuming that we are done with our design, so let us click on the rest of the variants of this product. So as you can see, for this color, we also have this design. So just make sure that the color of the text that you are using is visible to all of the colors that you want to sell. Okay, after that, just click on this option at the top right of your screen, and then just have to select the mock-ups. Okay, so some of their mock-ups are created. So here you have the all section, and as you can see, this violet icon at the bottom left of your image, it means that this one is a premium mock-up. So you just have to go to the free plan. Okay, and you'd be able to see here the different plans or different mock-ups for your products. Okay, so I think I'm going to use this mock-up, and then just have to select your main page. Okay, so I think this one is good, and I'll be using this image right here. So you just have to click on it. Okay, and then after selecting your image, what you are going to do is to simply click on the continue to details. Okay, and right here just have to add your product title and description. So if you don't have a title and description yet, you can generate an AI text. Okay, so after that one, you'd be able to see here now the retail price, the price guide, the product cost, the shipping, and then the estimated profit. Okay, so for the retail price, we have this sections, the price guide, we also have this one. And yeah, if you want to make any changes, all you have to do is to go to your retail price, and then you just have to click on the minus icon or the plus icon. Okay, so you just have to scroll down. If you are okay with all of these details, just click on the continue to review option at the top right of your screen. And of course, you have to set the profit margin too. Okay, and then just have to click on the update option and click on continue to review. And this is now your product summary. Okay, so we have the variant name, we have here the region or the country, and then the size, the retail price, estimated profit, and then the delivery region. After that, just have to click on the publish option. And as you can see now, you'd be able to see here your products, all of your products. So here you just have to wait for a couple of seconds. And when you go to the connected section, you'd be able to see here if this product has been successfully connected. Now, another thing, if you want to edit your store settings, so you just have to go to your stores. And right here, you have this different options. So you just have to go through these things and then adjust it accordingly. Okay, So you can manually approve personalized orders with automated Etsy personalization. So if you want this one, so you just have to click on the box. And for the synchronization, we also have here import not connected orders, update stores availability automatically. Next one is the personalization studio. So when you click on this one, okay, so you have to make sure that you have to subscribe to your plan. But of course, you can discover what you can do with the personalization studio. You can start selling personalized products that fit to your store. Here on the template section, you'd be able to see here the different templates that you have created. And if you want to create new ones, you just have to click on create a template. Next one is the branded packaging. So here we have configure and projects. So here for the branded label, you'd be able to see here the different prices. Okay, so we also have the packaging insert at your right side. We also have here the sales channels, the branded label, and then the packaging insert section. Next one is the analytics. So here on your analytics, you'd be able to see here your orders, your production countries, sold products, and then the total cost. And then there are many more things that you can explore here. Be able to see here your orders for country, the product split, and when you go to your products, okay, so you'd be able to see here the estimated profit for this product that you have created. And yes, those are the important basic things that you should know about Gelato.
So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.